Hello friends, Geography chapter number 3, Physiography and Drainage. In this chapter, we have already learned physiography and drainage pattern of India and Brazil. Physiography and Drainage part 3. In this video, we revised this chapter through some question and answers. So, let's revise this chapter. Physiography and Drainage, which means India and Brazil. First, you take paper and pen and try to jot down the questions and try to write down the answers. Then you check your answers with the answers given in the video. It is your self-assessment. Okay? The first question is, complete the sentences by choosing the right option. The first sentence is, Brazil is covered mainly by dash. The options are highlands. Second option is plains. Third one is mountainous region. And last one is desiccated hills. Now the second statement is, like Brazil, India too has. First option is high mountains. Second one is ancient plateau. Third one is west flowing rivers. And fourth one is snow capped mountains. Now the third statement is, the Amazon basin is mainly dash. Options are characterized by droughts. Second is filled with swamps. Third one covered by dense forests. And fourth one is fertile. Now the fourth question is, Amazon is a large river in the world. Near its mouth, options are deltic regions are found, no deltas are found, deposition of sediments occurs, and fishing is done. Now the fifth question is, the Lakshadweep Islands of Arabian Sea are dash. First option is made from the part separated from the mainland, coral islands. Third one is volcanic islands. And fourth one is continental islands. Sixth question is, to the foothills of Aravallis dash. The options are, first is lies the Bundelkhand plateau. Second one is lies the Mewar plateau. Third one is lies the Malwa plateau. And fourth one is lies the Deccan plateau. All of you try to write these answers. Now see, here are answers of the first question. It means complete the sentences by choosing the right option. The first statement is, Brazil is covered mainly by. The answer is highlands. The second one is, like Brazil, India too has. Answer is ancient plateau. The third one is, the Amazon basin is mainly. The answer is covered by dense forests. The fourth one is, Amazon is large river in the world. Near its mouth. Answer is no deltas are found. The fifth one is, the Lakshadweep Islands of Arabian Sea are coral islands. And the sixth one is, to the foothills of the Aravallis dash. The answer is lies the Mewar plateau. Now the second question is, answer the following questions. The first is, what measures are being taken to control pollution in the rivers of India? The answer is C. This answer is divided into 6 points. What are the points? See, the first point is the following measures are being taken to control river pollution in India. The first is treatment of containment water from human settlements as well as factories is treated and discharged into the river. The second point is restrictions on untreated polluted water discharged into the river. The third point is cleaning river basin by removing silt from river basins. Fourth one is to take measures and guide to prevent pollution of river basin by tourists. And the fifth one is to take measures from the cleanliness of various rivers, for example, Clean Ganga project, etc. Now the second question is, explain the characteristics of the North Indian plains. The answer is, first, the divisions lies between Himalaya mountains in the north and the peninsula in the south. Similarly, it extends from Rajasthan and Punjab in the west to Assam in the east. The second point is, it is mostly a flat low-lying area. The third point is, the North Indian plains are divided into two parts. The part lying to the east of Aravallis is the basin of the river Ganga and is therefore known as the Ganga Plains. The fourth one is, most of the West Bengal state of India and Bangladesh together constitute the delta of Ganga Brahmaputra system. It is known as Sundarbans. The fourth point is, the western part of the North Indian plains is occupied by desert. It is also known as Thar Desert or Marusthali. The sixth point is, to the north of the desert lie the plains of Punjab. Because the soil here is very fertile, agriculture is largely practiced in this region. The third question is, what could be the reasons behind the formation of swamps in the extensive continental location of Pantanal? The answer is, first point, the reasons for the formation of swamps in the vast expanse of Pantanal area are as follows. The first reason is Paraguay and its tributaries flow in the Pantanal region. The second reason is streams from the slopes of the Brazilian highlands accumulated in this region. And the third one is the Pantanal region has a large accumulation of water and silt carried by the Paraguay River and its tributaries, creating swamps in this region. The fourth question is, which are the major water divides of India, giving examples? The answer is, Indian rivers are classified as rivers in the Himalayas and rivers on the peninsula. The first point is, the Himalayas are considered to be the watershed of most of the water systems in North India. The second one is Indus and its tributaries, which originate to the west in the north part of Himalayas, are the western channels that flow westwards and meet the Arabian Sea. The Ganga Brahmaputra, which originates in the eastern part of the Himalayas, flows eastwards towards the Bay of Bengal. The third point is the Western Ghats is the major watershed of the peninsular plateau. Rivers originate on the western slope of the Western Ghats and flow westwards into the Arabian Sea. The fourth point is these rivers are short and fast flowing. The fifth one is rivers like Godavari and Krishna Kaveri flowing on the eastern slope of the Western Ghats, flowing eastwards and join to the Bay of Bengal. Now the third question is write short notes on. The first is Amazon River Basin. The answer is point number 1. The Amazon River originates in the eastern slopes of the Andes Mountains range in the country. The second one is the amount of water in the Amazon is huge. Therefore, the silt accumulated in the river bed is carried away from the source of the water. The third one is the accumulation of silt at the mouth of this river is not large. Distributions are not found in the mouth of the Amazon River. The fourth point is instead many islands are formed off the coast of the Amazon in the Atlantic Ocean. The fifth point is the width of the Amazon River Basin is about 150 kilometers. Most of the Amazon River Basin is suitable for transportation. The second short note is Himalayas. Answer is the first point is the Himalayas is the youngest fold mountains and extend east-west from the Pamir Plateau in Tajikistan to the eastern Arunachal Pradesh. The second point is it is one of the major mountain ranges in Asia. Third one is spread from Jammu Kashmir to Arunachal Pradesh in India. Fourth one is going north in the Himalayas, Shivalik, Lesser Himalaya, Greater Himalayas, which called Himadri, and the ranges beyond the Himalayas consist of several parallel mountain ranges. The fourth point is these mountain ranges are also divided into Western Himalayas, which called Kashmir Himalayas, Central Himalayas, which called Kumaon Himalayas, and Eastern Himalayas, which called Assam Himalayas, respectively. The third short note is the coast of Brazil. The answer is first, Brazil has coastline about 7,400 kilometers. The second point is it is bounded on the north by the coast of the North Atlantic from Amapá in the north to Rio Grande do Norte in the east. From there, the coast extending southwards can be called the East Coast. The third one is the northern shore is joined by several rivers, including the Amazon, so the shoreline has become low. São Francisco is a large river that flows into the Atlantic Ocean. The fourth one is long stretches of coastal line and coastal sand dunes can be seen here and there. The fifth one is, in some areas, the coast is protected by coral reefs and coral islands. The next short note is the Indian Peninsula. The answer is first, the region extending south of the North Indian plains and facing the Indian Ocean is known as the Indian Peninsula. The second point is, it has mainly small and big mountains and plateaus. The third point is, to the north of this plateau is Aravalli Mountains. And the fourth point is, the area consists of a plateau bounded by flat plains, the Vindhya Satpura Mountains in the central part, as well as the Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats. The last short note is the Great Escarpment. The answer is, although this natural section of the smallest in terms of area expansion, it is considered separate section due to the nature of the slope and its effect on the climate of Brazil. The second point is, the eastern side of the plateau is marked by this ridge. The third one is, the elevation of the plateau is 790 meters. The fourth point is, the height of some parts gradually decreases from Sao Paulo to Porto Alegre. The ridge ends at a straight descent. The fifth point is, the Great Escarpment blocks the southeastern trade winds. So, beyond the Great Escarpment, a wind-blown region, that is, a region of rain shadow, is formed. The northern part of the region is described as a draft quadrangle. The fourth question is, write geographical regions. The first statement is, there are no west flowing rivers in Brazil. The answer is, there are no west flowing rivers in Brazil because the first point is, rivers in Brazil originate mainly in the Brazilian highlands and their elevation gradually decreases from the south to north and from west to east. The second point is, so many rivers in Brazil flow to this north and east. These rivers flow into the Atlantic Ocean. The second statement is, there are dissimilarities between the eastern and western coasts of India. The answer is, the first point, there are dissimilarities between the eastern and western coast of India because, point number one, the west coast of India is narrow and rocky, when the east coast of India is made up by wide coastal plains from the accumulation of time carried by rivers. Second is, one-way rivers and creeks are found in many places along the west coast of India, while rivers flowing over the peninsular plateau at various places in the east coast of India form triangular region or delta region. The third statement is, there are fewer natural ports on the eastern coast of India. The answer is, there are fewer natural ports on the eastern coast of India because the first point is the eastern coast of India bordering the Bay of Bengal is made up of sediments of rivers. The second point is the rivers flowing on the east bank flow at the slower rate due to the slope of the land. So, the silt they carry is stored on the region and triangular region are formed there. The third one is as the east coast of India is relatively shallow, there are no favorable conditions for ports construction here. The fourth statement is as compared to Amazon, population in river Ganga will affect human life greatly. The answer is as compared to Amazon, population in river Ganga will affect human life greatly because the first point is the Amazon basin is primarily unfavorable for human habitation. So, the region has a low population density and low water pollution due to low industrial activities. The second one is, on the other hand, the Gangetic Plains have a large human population and a large number of industries. As a result, water pollution is a major problem in this region. Question number 5. Identify the correct group. The first is the order of physiographic units in Brazil while going from northwest to southeast. The first is Parana River Basin, Guiana Highlands, Brazilian Highlands. The second group is Guiana Highlands, Amazon River Basin, and Brazilian Highlands. And the third group is Coastal Plains, Amazon River Basin, and Brazilian Highlands. The second question is, these rivers of Brazil are not flowing. First, Zuruca, Xingu, Aragua. Second, Negro, Branco, Peru. And third, Japura, Zarua, and Purus. The third group is the order of plateaus of India from south to north. First is Karnataka, Maharashtra, Bundelkhand. The second one is Chota Nagpur, Malwa, Marwad. And the third one is Telangana, Maharashtra, Marwad. Let's see the answers of this question. Question number 5. Identify the correct group. The first is the order of physiographic units in Brazil while going from northwest to southeast. The answer is Guiana Highlands, Amazon River Basin, and Brazilian Highland. The second one is these rivers of Brazil are not flowing. The answer is Zuruca, Xingu, and Aragua. The third one is the order of plateaus of India from south to north. The answer is Karnataka, Maharashtra, and Bundelkhand. So, such a way, we revised the chapter number 3 through some question and answers. Thank you very much.